Transform your home into a profit powerhouse with this dropshipping hack. No stock, no hassle, just pure earnings. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert, where we're diving into the innovative world of dropship dreams. Stay with us until the end to unlock a world of insights and strategies, expanding far beyond the basics to truly revolutionize how you approach earning money from home. Let's embark on this lucrative journey together. Dropshipping is a unique concept in the digital economy, offering a fresh approach to e-commerce. It's a business model where you operate an online store but don't need to keep any products in stock. Instead, you partner with suppliers who handle the inventory and ship products directly to your customers. Think of a dropshipping store as an automated system. It's operational 24/7, and you don't need physical space for inventory. This means no worries about warehouse costs, packing issues, or upfront investment for stock, making it ideal for those wanting to start a business with minimal overhead. The heart of dropshipping lies in your collaboration with wholesalers or manufacturers. These partners are responsible for keeping stock and managing logistics. Your primary role is focused on marketing the products and managing customer service, acting as the bridge between your customers and the supplier. Getting started with dropshipping might seem complex, but it's simpler than many think. The initial setup involves choosing an online platform to host your store, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Each platform offers unique features and benefits, so it's important to research and select one that aligns with your business goals and preferences. Selecting a niche is crucial in dropshipping. It involves researching the market, understanding what potential customers need, and offering products that meet those needs. A niche should be something you're passionate about, whether it's eco-friendly products, tech gadgets, or pet care items, to ensure you remain motivated and interested in your business. Finding reliable suppliers is a critical step in the dropshipping journey. These could be direct manufacturers, wholesalers, or other dropshippers. They should provide products that fit your chosen niche and resonate with your target audience. Vetting suppliers is essential for the success of your dropshipping business. A supplier's reliability, shipping times, and product quality can significantly impact your brand reputation and customer satisfaction. Therefore, take time to research and choose suppliers that uphold high standards. Designing your online store is an exciting step. This is where you can express your brand's personality and connect with your audience. The store should be user-friendly with appealing visuals, clear product descriptions, and intuitive navigation to ensure a positive shopping experience for customers. Search engine optimization, SEO, is key to making your store discoverable online. Incorporate relevant keywords, optimize product descriptions, and use SEO best practices to improve your store's visibility on search engines. Exceptional customer service is the backbone of a successful dropshipping business. Prioritize creating a seamless shopping experience and provide prompt, helpful customer support. This builds trust and can lead to repeat customers and referrals. Pricing strategy in dropshipping is about finding the right balance. Your profits come from the markup on the supplier's price. Set your prices to be competitive yet profitable, considering the market standards and what your target audience is willing to pay. Effective marketing is essential to drive traffic and sales. A good marketing strategy involves understanding your audience and finding the best ways to reach and engage them. This might include social media marketing, content marketing, email campaigns, and more. Social media is a powerful tool for dropshippers. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook offer vast potential for reaching and engaging with a broad audience. Use these platforms to showcase products, share customer testimonials, and run targeted ads. Content marketing, such as blog posts and videos, helps establish your brand as a knowledgeable source in your niche. This type of marketing can drive organic traffic to your store and improve customer engagement. Finding our content insightful? Cultivate your understanding. Subscribe, express your appreciation with a like, and ring the bell for a deeper dive into knowledge. Ready to expand your insights? Let's plunge back in. Email marketing remains an effective way to communicate with customers. Use it to announce new products, share exclusive deals, and keep your audience engaged with your brand. Paid advertising can be a valuable investment to boost your store's visibility quickly. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow you to reach a targeted audience and can drive significant traffic to your store. Collaborating with influencers can expose your brand to a larger audience. Influencer marketing leverages the trust and authority that these individuals have with their followers, which can translate into increased sales for your store. Remember that marketing strategies are not one size fits all. It's important to experiment and find what works best for your specific niche and audience. Automation can be a game changer as your business grows. Tools like Oberlo for Shopify can automate the process of adding products to your store and fulfilling orders, saving you time and effort. Dropshipping isn't a quick path to wealth. It requires time, dedication, and strategic planning. Like any business, it has its challenges, but with commitment and smart tactics, it can be a rewarding endeavor. Continual learning and adaptation are key in dropshipping. The e-commerce world is dynamic, with ever-changing trends and consumer preferences. Staying informed and adaptable will help you maintain a competitive edge. Competition in dropshipping is intense, but don't let that deter you. With the right strategies and persistence, you can carve out a successful niche for yourself. Expect challenges along the way. Every business faces obstacles, but these can be valuable learning experiences that help you grow and improve your business strategies. Initial setbacks should not be a cause for discouragement. In the world of dropshipping, these are common and often provide valuable insights for future success. Dropshipping offers flexibility and freedom, allowing you to start and manage a business from anywhere. This model requires minimal upfront investment, making it accessible to many aspiring entrepreneurs. In dropshipping, you're creating more than just a business. You're building a brand that reflects your passion, connects with customers, and stands out in the marketplace. Your dropshipping store is a platform for sharing your passion and connecting with people who share similar interests. It's an opportunity to impact your customers' lives positively through the products you offer. Dropshipping is a journey of both personal and professional growth. It's a path that starts with an idea and has the potential to grow into a successful, fulfilling business venture. Embark on a journey to digital empowerment. It all begins with a free ebook, your gateway to mastering today's most innovative online business strategies. But the path to greatness extends beyond these pages. A uniquely crafted 15-day challenge awaits, designed to elevate your e-commerce expertise and guided by the sharpest minds in digital business. This is where theory meets practice, with actionable strategies and an all-encompassing toolkit at your disposal. Are you ready to rise to the challenge? Take the leap with confidence. Click the link in the description and start paving your way to digital excellence. Wrapping up today's e-earning expedition in the digital jungle. Trekked through the method? Found treasures or still hacking through? Chart your adventures in the comments. Did today's financial jungle trek uncover hidden gems for you? Click like to mark the path. Ready to explore more uncharted earning territories? Subscribe and signal with the bell, ensuring you're equipped for every excursion. Before you retreat to base camp, see that video through the foliage? It's a guide to another lucrative path in the online wilderness. Venture in, and let's continue our quest for digital gold. Until our next jungle journey,